Hi everybody, and welcome back to Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. I'm Oz. That's Jack.
Yeah.
He's still got nothing. I'll have to write him some stuff. So, we know it's that time of year, and we're gonna put some stuff together, and we have some interesting recipes coming up with pumpkin spice. We're just gonna get into it, like pumpkin spice to everything, because it's awesome, and we're basic like that, and we love it. So, until we can get those videos and we have our special guest that's going to come in and show us how to make these stuff, we're going to show you how to do just a basic, simple recipe to make pumpkin spice that you can use in other stuff. It won't taste like pumpkin, it's going to taste like the spices that go with it. You can take pumpkin, put it on there, add a little bit of extra, knocks it out of the park. So let's get into it. Alright, super simple. You're going to need some cloves, cinnamon, nutmeg, some ginger, and then allspice. A lot of places and other things that I see, they leave that out. We're going to try it, and you need something to put it into when you're done.
Yeah, preferably.
I had something to mix it in, really, and some of these measuring spoons. So it's going to be 2 of the tablespoons of ginger and of the cinnamon. Like, got to kind of wrangle it into the thing. It wasn't big enough, so you just get the little pour spout. Yeah. See, it's not exact. You know, I'm a fan of cinnamon, so I don't mind having a little extra.
Oh, cinnamon's great.
And then you use the teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of the allspice and the cloves.
Yeah, that's the cloves right there. This is the allspice.
Yeah. The cloves and the allspice, and then your nutmeg is only going to be like a half a teaspoon.
Yeah.
Right. Apparently, you don't want a whole lot of nutmeg. I don't.
Nutmeg's really strong, if I recall. So too much could really mess things
just
up.
mix it around as best you can there. You can mix it if you don't have enough to put in the jar, like in a jar later. You know, as long as there's a little gap, but always stir it before.
Yeah.
Now it'll start smelling like actual spice here. Like I said, it's not going to taste like pumpkin. It's not going to smell like pumpkin. This is going to be the spices and stuff that go in it. So if you get other pumpkin stuff, it's great.
Yeah, I always thought pumpkin was in this. I guess it's not.
Well, you put it on pumpkin stuff. You put this in pumpkin pie. You put it in your lattes and stuff. Now you use a funnel. It's helpful here, by the way.
It's a hell of a lot easier.
It's a lot less wasteful. You kind of got to rattle it around to get it into the hole, though. I had a nickel for every time I said that in my life. So just rattle it around, make sure to get it all in there, put the lid back on it. Hopefully it's a shaker thing. And then the last thing to do is you want to relabel that thing. Right? Yep. You don't want to just bang it around in your purse, in your bag, or in your pocket, your fanny pack. So we got some white duct tape and then a Sharpie. And we're going to label it because we're D&D nerds. It's
+5 to basic.
Basicness. They cost like pennies at the most. Like, there's really no reason to put a price on this. If you have this stuff, most people have this around. If you've done any kind of baking, put this together, you're done. So there you have it, your spice that goes on everything pumpkin. If you need to carry it in your pocket, just emergency spice. Like, you get that latte and it's not spiced enough, but it's plenty pumpkin-y. Now you're set. It's like pumpkin spice, like pocket sand, right? So now you're set. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you want stuff like this. And what the hell's the name of our channel? Oh yeah, Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. You can find us on YouTube all the time, but we upload on Tuesdays and Fridays. You can find us on Facebook at Living Between Paychecks Kitchen there, Instagram at Living Between, or oh yeah, we're on Pinterest too at Living Between Paychecks Kitchen there. You can find us on Patreon. We very much appreciate our patrons. Thank you very much. If you'd like to help us out, we're at Living Between Paychecks Kitchen there, and we'll see you next time.